welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you like what you see, and click that bell to get notifications from me. Today I will be doing a Birds of Paradise flower inspired look, and this one was requested by Jessica here on YouTube, better known as EVERYTHINGPROOF Beauty. And I think this will be my last flower inspired look for a while, not forever. I do plan on doing more flower inspired looks in the future, hopefully. I did get around to each of the ones that were requested by you guys. So let's just get on to the Birds of Paradise inspired look. These flowers are super unique. They're gorgeous, beautiful, bright, and the way their shape is, they look very exotic. So I of course want to incorporate their bright colors, and I will be using tape. I will be lining my eye to get that sharpness that those flowers have. And I will be aligning this with my eyebrow, so just like that. Today I will be working with the Juvias Zulu palette, and this palette does have all of the colors I will be using. I'm going to be using the orange, the pink, the purple, and the reason why I want to use this palette is because I know these colors are very super pigmented and bright, perfect for this look. I'm going to begin by packing in some pink, packing this onto the inner part of my lid. I didn't prep my eyelid with any concealer or primer. I feel like these colors are very bright already as they are, and they work really well just by themselves. Once I have that pigment there, I want to start blending it upwards. Going in with that same brush, I'm picking up the orange next. And I'll be applying this orange to the rest of my eyelid, as well as overlapping that pink. Again, once I have that pigment down, I'm going to go ahead and blend it into the pink and blend it upwards. I'm going in with a tiny bit more pink and then a tiny bit more orange. Work those colors here where they merge so it looks nice and blended, nice and seamless. Once you have that laid down, I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm running that along the top. Once we have that, you can go ahead and take off your tape. It's so hot in here, guys, and I was sweating underneath that tape. I don't know if you can tell. I'm pretty sure you can. It usually doesn't leave this harsh of a mark, but I was sweating under there. It's hot. Trying to get rid of the sweat droplets. I even got a little bit smudged right here. Next, I'm going in with the liner brush and going in with the purple. And this purple is going to go on the outer parts of my lower lash line. Then I'm taking a clean brush to diminish the harsh line on the bottom. And now for inner corner highlight, I do want a very bright white inner corner highlight. So I'm taking my Cosmetics Carli Bybel Palette, picking up the white highlight shade, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corner and that empty space that I have on my lower lash line, whatever I didn't cover with the purple. And let's add a tiny bit to the brow bone as well. I went ahead and I added that same white highlight to my nose, cupid's bow, and cheekbones. And to add that beautiful bright blue that the Birds of Paradise have, I'm going to be using this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Sapphire. And I'm basically going to be doing a simple graphic liner. I'm going to start by lining my line as if I were doing my normal wing, and then I'm going to connect that with a line above, just above my crease, but I want that pink and orange to peek out a little bit above it. You can most definitely add falsies to this look if that is what you prefer, but I just decided to top it up with mascara. Sometimes I feel that when I wear falsies, it takes away from the look since my eyes are on the smaller side. But if your preference is falsies, then I definitely feel that the falsies would give this look that extra exoticness that the flower, the birds of paradise, I think give off that feeling. So both mascara or falsies work perfectly fine. And speaking of not wanting to take away from this look, for my lips, I am going to keep it nude, but first I do need to moisturize, as always. First, I'm going to be taking a brown lip liner. This one is from the Makiage Carli Bybel collection, the Cosmic set. And right on top of that, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Matte Lip in Hemp to lighten it up. Video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I really feel like this blue graphic liner is really what put this look to another level. I love how it came out. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think of this look. Does it remind you of the birds of paradise? Because it does to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!